Hey guys, welcome back to Shamiz. Today we're doing part 2 of reassembling my 6x6. So this is actually the same day of recording part 1, and this is just because I have some free time for tonight. I think it's a good idea to just have some fun and do this. Mine is set back, but this happened, so I'm gonna have to fix that bracket and then I can work on the next one. Finally, I got this done. As you can see, there's 4 full brackets, and now we can move on to the actual pieces for the next layer. Okay, so the problem I'm facing is that this part is way too tight, and I can't push this core piece up or else the internals would just pop out, and I don't want that happening right now, so I'm just gonna take out these centers and maybe work on them later. For now, I'll just work on the other centers. Okay, so I'm actually a bit scared this cube might pop, so I'm just gonna take out the centers and work on the core to pop out actually. Okay, so it just won't budge. I'm not really sure. As you can see right there, I'm trying to push this core piece up, but it's not pushing up. Hopefully I can find a way. I got a screwdriver, let's make things happen. Literally did nothing, so I'm just gonna tighten it again. So my approaches would be to do this part, the internals, so the upper internals, and see if that fixes it. Okay, it's the next day, so let's see what we can do. So first I'm just fixing up a pop. Major setback. I just broke every single bracket except for this one, and yeah. So I took every single bracket out and putting them back in because I don't know what's going on. You see, the problem is when I put this part down, this part goes up, and then when I push this one down here, this one goes up, and then this bracket breaks. So what the hell do I do? Okay, so I loosened the cube a bunch, and now it's actually working. I'm talking about 3 360 turns. So yeah, quite a bit of listenings, and I'm finally getting it to work. We're back in the position of last video, but this time the stable's much more, the core's much more stable. So I think I can finish it off now and add in the centers. Considering the final bracket was so easy, I think I could get this cube done by today. So the fourth layer is complete. So I got the fifth layer almost done as well. As you can see, I got this part and this part of the fifth layer. And yeah, so we're almost done here. But I have school now, so I'm just gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is part 2 of my 6x6 assembly.